Hi everyone, Kindle Paperwhite Showdown 12th versus 11th versus 10th generation. We are comparing features, upgrades, and pricing to help you pick the best one. Let's dive in. Display and design feature display size in Kindle Paperwhite 10th generation 6.0 inches, in 11th generation 6.8 inches, 12th generation 7.0 inches. Resolution in 10th generation 167 ppi, in 11th generation 300 ppi, in 12th generation 300 ppi. Front light in 10th generation basic front light, in 11th generation 17 LEDs warm or cool light, in 12th generation improved LEDs 10 white 9 amber. Water resistance in 10th generation IP into 8 2 meter for 60 minute, IP into 8 2 amp for 60 minute, in 11th generation, in 12th generation IP into 8 2 amp for 60 minute. Design in 10th generation chunky bezels, in 11th simmer bezels modern design, in 12th generation sleeker design with thinner bezels. Battery life feature battery life in 10th generation up to 4 weeks, in 11th generation up to 10 weeks, and in 12th generation up to 12 weeks. Prices model Kindle Paperwhite 10th generation estimated price in USD $129.99, Kindle Paperwhite 11th generation $139.99 8 GB, or $159.99 for 32 GB. Kindle Paperwhite 12th generation $149.99 for 8 GB, or $169.99 for 32 GB. Performance specification feature processor in 10th generation single core 1 GHz, in 11th generation dual core 1 GHz, in 12th generation MediaTek dual core 1 GHz. Page turn speed in 10th generation standard, in 11th generation 20% faster than 10th generation, in 12th generation 25% faster than 11th generation. Battery life up to 4 weeks, in 10th generation, in 11th generation up to 10 weeks, and in 12th generation up to 12 weeks. Audible support, there is no audible support in 10th generation. 11th generation, yes, there is audible support, and in 12th generation there is also audible support. RAM not specified in 10th generation, in 11th generation also not specified, in 12th generation 512 MB. Storage option 8 GB in 10th generation, 8 GB or 32 GB in 11th generation, and 8 GB or 32 GB in 12th generation.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.